Back down here with Zach. He's trying to do crab net, the cast net. Let's see which one. No. Think the spot's all crabbed out, Zach?
Mm-mm.
What happened?
That's a good throw. Got a fish.
Hey, we got a fish.
See something moving.
Oh, there he goes.
He got me with that.
Dude, his blood is actually on your blood is actually on his leg. Is that yours?
Yeah, that's my blood actually. So he's got occupied with the rope. He did get me. Try to occupy him with the rope. Now he can actually do that for self-defense, and they will grow back within a week or so. But they will grow back, and they grow back fast. Yeah. Okay. So
Now he can't pinch you.
well, he can stab me. See how he's doing with that, with these legs, and they're if they were bigger, it would hurt a lot more. Alrighty then.
And we got that fish too. We got to get that either in the tank or back in the ocean. Wait, is that a baby sheephead?
No.
Oh, it looked like it from
How do you feel? Got another one.